Hey everyone, Mike Sherry back with Sherry Vans, and we just got a new addition into the dealership, Dodge Caravan mobility van. So let's take a look here. I just got done driving this. This is a pre-owned 2019 van with a new mobility conversion. So let's check it out. Give you a little bit of brief view of the entire van, and then we'll kind of go into some of the specifics. This is a 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT, so you're going to get a lot of nice options on this, which I will go over. Starting on the left here, it does have remote controlled mirrors that are also defrosting. You control them right here. It has power windows in the front and the center, and then power out windows in the very rear. Power locks, does have automatic headlights here. The center cluster, no warning lights or anything to be concerned there. Does have 39,125 miles on it. Hands-free connectivity right here on this side of the steering wheel, so you can talk to this car's audio system on your cell phone hands-free. Also has cruise control on this side of the steering wheel. Has the 6.5-inch touchscreen AM, FM, and satellite radio, as well as heating and air conditioning controls down here. Now there's 3 zones of heating and air conditioning. There is your driver zone, your passenger zone, and the rear zone. Now the rear zone can also be controlled in the rear if you want your passengers to do that. Overall, really clean. All the little nooks and crannies look really good. Got your change dispenser down there. A couple glove compartments over here. Does have the factory books. Again, leather seats in the SXT. All right, let's check out the outside. This is a really pretty red. They call it Octane Red. Let me grab the keys. I'll show you a couple cool things with it. So outside here in the Octane Red, really looks slick. Overall clean van. A little bit of scuff there in the hood that probably could even be buffed out. Has 17-inch wheels. Tires on this look, they're not original tires. They look really good. Good tread there. Power sliding rear doors on both sides of the van. You can open it up right here with your remote control. That also opens up the rear liftgate and has remote start and locking features. ATS is the mobility company. They do use the factory rear seats here. You can have seating for 5 plus your mobility applications. Coming around to the rear of the van, again, power rear liftgate. See how nice and easy that goes up, and it also comes down, power rear. I'm 6 foot tall. I can fit under this with several inches to spare, so you're not going to bump your head on it unless you're, I guess, 7 foot tall. Here's your ramp here. This ramp itself is powder coated, and then there's protective edging here on your bumper that's actually ceramic coated, which is really strong. Now, driving down the road, a lot of times customers say, well, this thing's got a rattle. It's a lot of metal here. Actually, I didn't hear any rattles in this when driving down the road, and that's due to these latches here. There's one on both sides. Can easily be done just with one finger, as you can see. And then that releases the ramp to go down. Now, a lot of questions we get is how heavy is the ramp? This ramp is actually pretty heavy, but it's actually assisted with steel shocks. There's 2 of them built into the ramp. So the actual weight that it takes to raise and lower this is less than 7 pounds. The ramp itself has a width of 34 inches, and then the ramp catch here is your bottleneck at just under 33 inches. Now this ramp catch not only catches the ramp when it's in its fold up position, but also protects you as passengers in case there be a rear collision, that the ramp doesn't come up and hurt anyone in a rear collision. Most mobility companies do not have that safety feature added. This is a 90-inch, just over 90-inch long channel, 34-inch wide, can hold up to 2 wheelchairs. It has the Q-strand tie downs in the floor already from the factory. Comes with 1 set of Q-strands. Got the shoulder belts here already in place. The Q strands will hook into 4 spots, connect to 4 corners of your wheelchair, and they will keep it secure while you're traveling down the road. It's your rear air conditioning controls. Overall, super clean van, super affordable. Right now, as the shooting of these videos, these pre-owned 2019s are priced under $30,000 in a mobility application. That's a really nice price, as I'm sure you're finding out. And does come with a warranty on the mobility conversion. That's 3 years total and unlimited miles. So there's no limit on the miles on the conversion. As always, financing is available on this, and there's a link below where you can get pre-approved right from your home. So check that out if you're looking for finance options. And also, we'd love an opportunity to earn your business. If you have a trade-in, we'd love to make an offer on that. And you can get started by clicking on the link below. And lastly, delivery is available nationwide. So whether you live here in Ohio or all the way out in California, we can deliver this to your front door, just like the pizza man delivers a pizza. So with that, my name's Mike Sherry. I hope if you found this video helpful in understanding this van more and what its capabilities are. So if you need further information, by all means get in contact with us. We'd love an opportunity to talk with you on the phone, even schedule you a time to come in the dealership and take them for a drive. They really drive good. Thanks for watching, everyone.